So, today is April 17th, 2026, and this is yesterday's trade setup, April 16th. And yeah, I didn't get to do the breakdown yesterday when it happened, but I get to do it today. Right now, we are in Colombia, Cartagena. Show you guys around a little bit just so you can see my view. And yeah, man, it's fire out here. My first time in Colombia. Definitely different experience. Um, Wonderful weather. I like it. But so far, so for this breakdown, this was yesterday's trade. So I was looking at Nasdaq on the 5 minute, as you know, and basically I took a counter trend setup. So on the 5 minute time frame, we clearly see prices on a little downtrend. Right here we have a low. This low got broken. These people loud, loud. But this low got broken right here. Right, price came up, created a lower high, came down, broke this recent low, breaking structure, creating a new low. So we can already see prices on a downtrend because it's creating lower lows, right? And we got a high, a lower high, right? Plus we also got a head and shoulders right here pattern. And yeah, basically I went to the 15 minute. This is how I saw my setup. I went to the 15 minute. Since I saw that on the 5 minute, it looked very clear price action. So I went to the 15 minute and I spotted a supply setup right here, which was right here with this bullish green candle in the top of this wick, which is the top of the high. And then this is where the gap begins, the fair value gap on the 15 minute. So from there, I was just waiting, even though 3 MAs are not lined up correctly, right? Price action is king. So I'm still following my strategy. I'm still following price action. Only thing that wasn't lined up or confirmations that are set up in my strategy is the 3 MAs. That's the only thing that wasn't not lining up, right? So from here, we were just waiting for price to touch the zone. And price was just consolidating. By this time, that's when I woke up and I saw this around 8. And price was just consolidating. And price was just consolidating. Yeah, let's see what happened. What candles? Yeah, price was just consolidating for a minute. But finally, at 9:25, literally 5 minutes before the New York Stock Exchange opened, price ended up hitting our zone. Right, so right off the back, I'm like, okay, next break of candle low, I'm getting in the trade, bro. Right, so that's already my idea right there. Next break of candle low. Then the 9:30 candle opened, and it actually came all the way like up here. Right, it opened and it was like all the way up here because the price opened up here. So price opened up here, price came up, and then started shooting down, and then it broke this candle low, this 5 minute recent candle low. Right, that's when I got in. Right, so price came up to here, boom, that was my stop loss, and then started coming down, broke this candle low. That's when I got in. My 1-to-1 was right here, boom, and then 1 or 2, 1 or 2 target around this area. Right, so from right here, it already looks clean. It already looks like a clean trade. The only thing is price is kind of rejecting off the 200 EMA, but everything looks clean. Like we got clean price action. Right, price went up, came down, created a low. Price came up, created a lower high, came down, broke this low, created a new lower low. Price came up, consolidated, stayed under the zone, like it never broke the zone. So that's like a lower high, basically. So price action is just telling me, okay, price is bearish. Right, and on the 15 minute, it looks even way much cleaner. Right, it looks way much cleaner. Right, we got the 50 MA right here. Price came up, rejected other 50 MA, which we know price usually tends to reject or pull back to the 50 and then continue the trend. And yeah, man, you can see right here clearly, price came up to the 50, rejected, and yeah, from there we were just waiting. And from here, I was just waiting for price to see what's gonna hit my TP1 or not. And yeah, that's what happened. There's already a lot of momentum coming into the markets after the New York Stock Exchange opened. So from there, we were just waiting and holding, seeing what happens. You know what I mean? So far, my TP1 got hit. From here, I was just waiting for my TP2 to get hit. Bam. Price ended up pushing down at 950. So I was only in the trade for, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 25 minutes. I was only in the trade for 25 minutes. Price ended up pushing and hitting my take profit to around 950. So I got out the trade. Price ended up pulling back, and then price pulled all the way back. That's why I go for 1 to 2s, because my strategy, the strategy I use, at least, it works better with 1 to 2 targets. So on that trade alone, we made roughly, I don't know if you can see it, but made roughly about $1,060 in 25 minutes, which was pretty valid. Honestly, that's gonna pay for majority of this trip in Colombia. So, hey, it is what it is. Learn the skill set, and be free for life. Um, and yeah, man, like honestly, yeah, it's gonna pay for most of the trip. The markets has not been good to me. It has been smoking me and freaking, just frying me, bro. Like this last 3 weeks, due to like this whole conflict with America. Like I've been saying on my previous, video breakdowns, this whole conflict has been making price action not be as good as it could be. But now that everything is like cooling off and dying down, this following week, price action is looking much better. And it's actually, the strategy is actually starting to play out again. So market conditions are coming back to a better terms. So yeah, now we just wait, and yeah, man. And hopefully, this coming week we run up some nice trades. We got some profits, got some wins, and yeah, fully made back the full Colombia trip, which will most likely happen the next winning day. So whatever next winning day I have, that will cover the rest of the whole trip I'm here in Colombia, which I'm only here for like a week, so a little bit less than a week, but still. And yeah, man, that's today's trade breakdown. Well, yesterday's trade breakdown. Just wanted to, do that video real quick, especially since I'm out here. I don't really have too much time to do that yesterday. But I had some time today. Wanted to at least get this video to you guys so that you could see and understand what I saw when this happened. And yeah, man, join the free Discord community as well. Link is in the bio of this video or description of this video. It's loud as hell. We hear people honking, bro. Like, it's loud. It's loud. But yeah, man. Yeah, join the free Discord community. Yeah, and like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.